1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Now that we've seen how easy it is to create convincing phishing pages, let's talk about how to protect yourself from these attacks. Always verify the URL before entering any credentials. Look carefully at the domain name and make sure it exactly matches the official site. Phishers often use domains that look similar but have slight variations. Be suspicious of unsolicited messages with links, even if they appear to come from friends or trusted organizations. If someone sends you a link to log into a service, instead of clicking it, manually navigate to the service by typing the genuine URL in your browser. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. Even if your password is compromised through phishing, attackers would still need the second verification factor to access your account. Be wary of offers that seem too good to be true, like free followers, prizes, or exclusive deals. These are common lures used in phishing attacks. Use a password manager that can recognize legitimate websites. These tools will only autofill credentials on sites they recognize, providing an extra layer of protection. Keep your browser and devices updated to benefit from the latest security features that help identify and block phishing sites. Most importantly, develop a healthy skepticism when online. If something feels off or too good to be true, trust your instincts and proceed with caution. Today, we've seen just how easy it is to create convincing phishing pages that target social media accounts. From perfect replicas of login pages to social engineering techniques that prey on desires for followers and likes, these attacks are sophisticated and extremely effective. What makes phishing particularly dangerous is that it bypasses technical security measures by targeting the human element. No amount of encryption or firewalls can fully protect against a convincing social engineering attack. Remember, the knowledge shared in this video is meant to help you understand these threats and protect against them, never to cause harm. Always operate within legal and ethical boundaries.